Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add a student to your Google Classroom in 2 easy ways. Stick around till the end to find the best method. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the internet. After connecting your device to the internet, simply open your Google Classroom. After opening your classroom, as you can see your class, to add a student here, simply click on people. After clicking on people, you'll find this kind of interface and you'll see the option teachers. You can add a teacher from here. For to add a student, simply click on here. After clicking here, you can enter your student email address or simply click on copy link and provide the link to the student which you want to invite, or you can simply click on share and share in different social media to the student, and after the student click the link, student will join the classroom. And that's how you add students in Google Class, either by inviting them directly or sharing the class code. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more classroom tips, and drop a question in the comment below, and I'll catch you on the next one, and bye bye.